how to make Matcha Cream Daifuku Mochi. I think famous ramen lovers, there are so many matcha lovers in the world. Then today we use matcha powder. We whisk matcha powder with using shiratama powder. We use this powder to make Japanese sweets a lot. So I hope you can get up to supermarket near your house. So shall we start? 始める? Okay. じゃあ let's get started.
じゃあ作ろうか。
作ろうか. Okay. He said, now shall we start? Okay. Let's start. Here are the ingredients. At first, make 10 blocks of wrapping paste and put in a fridge to cool it down. Then mix fresh cream and sugar to make whipped cream. Make 10 balls and freeze them for about 1 to 2 hours. Then place cellophane and put a bowl of wrapping paste. Put frozen whipped cream on it. Then wrap them quickly. Make another bowl. Freeze them for another 1 to 2 hours. Now let's prepare mochi. Put shiratama powder in a bowl and add sugar and matcha powder and mix well. Then pour water and mix all together. Then put in a steamer and steam for 2 minutes. You can also use microwave. Now take out the bowl and mix well to gather mochi. Now apply potato starch in a tray and put the mochi in it. And add extra potato starch. Then divide the mochi into 10 pieces. When it becomes normal temperature, wrap the fillings with mochi. It's a challenging part. And sprinkle potato starch on it, and it's done! The matcha cream daifuku is done! So let's start tasting! Looks so green color! いただきます! Now the cream is inside. It's so tasty. It might be also delicious to use ice cream inside.
おいしい。
おいしい. Good. It seems he likes it. Good. So by the way, the mochi is a little bit sticky. So when you offer to your family or a young child, please be careful. Please eat little by little. And please always prepare the water or green tea aside.
おもまいた。
ごちそうさまでした. He can say ごちそうさまでした. Yeah, good. How was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed and create this recipe at home. So see you next time. Bye bye. No.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q
S T U V W X Y Z.
違う。
違うの?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Good job, Kenja. Good job. 上